Hello and welcome to the Indicator Warehouse. In today's video, I'm going to be covering the action for July 8th of 2014. Now, as I said in the blog post, due to prior events and other obligations, I completely missed out on this huge trending day. And as I mentioned in my post, yeah, you know what? It's a little disheartening. Sure, it makes me a little mad. Sure, it upsets me a little bit. But the one thing that we do know about the markets is the fact that, you know what, this is probably not going to be the last trending day that we see. Hopefully you guys got a chance to take advantage of some of this action that we had today. I mean, this is just a no-brainer. Clear as a bell looking at our mean Renko bars that, well, it's a downtrending day. And it was a fast downtrending day as well. Again, I missed out on it, but then hopefully you did not. Let's go ahead and let's take a look at some of the signals that we got here for DTS, Diversified Trading Systems, for the day. And we're going to see that our first eagle signal comes here, but this signal happens before the East Coast open. So I'm going to pass on this particular signal right here. Now, even though we get this huge move down, I mean, nice red filter, soft edge on the bottom of the hard edge, we do get a chance for a second entry right here, where depending on whether you're using profit targets or not and what stop strategy you're using, if you had a runner on here and maybe took the first two off at 10 and 20 ticks, you still would have had a runner on number 3. Nothing to write home about, but with Diversified Trading Systems being a day trading solution, we don't need to rely on just one chart here. So let's go ahead and let's take a look at some of the opportunities that happened on the Falcon and the Hawk as well. All right, we're going to have the same thing here with the Falcon. We do get an earlier entry. And if you're comfortable trading pre-market, please, by all means, do so. Here's an entry you could have taken pre-market at about 8:41 Eastern Standard Time, and you literally would have ridden this trade all the way down to 10:45 Eastern Standard Time. But even if you did miss that, the Falcon gives us not just this entry here, but it gives us an additional 1, 2, 3, and 4 opportunities. It does give us a 5th right here, but unfortunately this one is a loser. We get stopped out. Again, depending on the stop strategy that you choose that fits your trading style and fits your risk tolerances, if the stop had been a little bit looser on here, I would have survived this trade for a profitable trade here, here, and then of course we do get an entry right here as well. Now, of course, what's going to constitute an entry? We've got all of our signals in place right here. We've got a nice red swing line all the way down, and then we've also got the nice red filter. Let's take a look and see what the Hawk had to offer us today as well. All right, so taking a look here at our Hawk, we see we get our first signal here right off the open. And as you can see, the Hawk gives us multiple chances to enter all throughout this big downtrend. Now, we don't get the trending days that often, and I'll tell you, as Eric said today in the room, this is definitely one of those days that would have paid the mortgage. But the Hawk gives us multiple opportunities throughout the morning to enter a trade. And again, with this particular stop strategy, I'm using the ATR. I would have gotten taken out here. However, it gives me another opportunity to enter again. You get the picture. Multiple entries taken out again here. And remember, the Hawk is designed for the shorter term move, right around $50 in the case of the NQ. But it's just a massive downtrending day. Now, if we take a look at the signals, they're all very clear. And remember, with DTS, we get the audible alerts, so we get the heads up on the prior bar, so that way we're not staring at our charts all day. But just, oh my gosh, look at this, just a huge downtrending day. Now, one quick thing that I'd like to point out about the hawk is, even though we did have that strong downtrending day, we do start to get some long signals right here, probably just traders profit taking. Here we get our first cross, nice green filter, green macro trend line, green micro trend line. Right here we get a signal above our ultimate support and resistance line, which is the pink line right here. This would have been a great entry, and it gives us more entries on the way up as well. Well, all right, if you guys have any questions regarding this video, please feel free to contact me at ray@indicatorwarehouse.com. Thanks and have a great day.